Hello students, today I Sudeep Yadav is here with second chapter of class 7th, subject science, part first. In this chapter we have to discuss about the nutrition in animals. So let's start. What is the nutrition in animals? Let's see. Number first, animal nutrition. What is animal nutrition? Let's see what is the animal nutrition. The mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization in the body is called nutrition. Animals get their food directly or indirectly from plants. So, plants are the autotrophs and animals are the heterotrophs. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of taking food, and its utilization in the body. That is animal nutrition. Digestion. What is digestion? Let's see. The process by which complex food substances are broken down into simpler substances is called digestion. Now, different ways of taking food. Let's see what are the different ways of taking foods in different organisms. So, number first, that is the snail. Snail having a kind of food that is grass and mode of feeding is a chewing. Similarly, ant kind of food is the insects and mode of feeding is a scrapping. Now next, eagle kind of food flesh and mode of feeding is swallowing. Next, hummingbird. Neat hummingbird kind of food is a nectar and mode of feeding is a sucking. Lice. Lice, blood, sucking. Mosquito kind of food is blood and mode of feeding is a sucking. Butterfly kind of food is a nectar and mode of feeding is a sucking. Housefly kind of food is a decaying matter and mode of feeding is the brewing. So these all were the different kinds of the organism and they having the different kind of foods and modes of their feeding. Let's see in the next slide. In the next slide, we can see here different organisms like the snail, like the eagle, like the housefly, like the butterfly, like the mosquito. So these all are the different organisms. Next, activity. In this activity, we have to be discuss about the food and modes of feeding in animals. Number first, animal name of animal. Second, kind of food and mode of feeding. As we know that we have already discussed in previous slide, but we have to be rediscussed in activity also. Okay, so let's start. Number first, snail kind of food, that is the grass, and mode of feeding is the chewing. Name of animal, ant kind of food, insects, and mode of feeding is a scrapping. Eagle kind of food, that is the flesh, and mode of feeding is the swallowing. Next, hummingbird kind of food is nectar and mode of feeding is sucking. Lice kind of food is a blood and mode of feeding is a sucking. Now next, mosquito kind of food is blood and mode of feeding is sucking. Butterfly kind of food, nectar and mode of feeding is sucking. Housefly, decaying matter, mode of feeding is brewing. Now let's see what are the amazing facts about the starfish. Let's see. Starfish feeds on animals covered by hard cells of calcium carbonate. After opening the cell, the starfish pops out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animal inside the cell. The stomach then goes back into the body and the food is slowly digested. So, this was the way by which starfish are feeding. Next, milk teeth and permanent teeth. So, let's see what are the milk teeth and what are the permanent teeth. Do you remember that about falling off your teeth some years ago? The first set of teeth grow during the infancy and they fall off at the age between the 6 to 8 years. These are termed milk teeth. Now next, the second set that replaces them are the permanent teeth. The permanent teeth may last throughout life or fall off during old age. So this was the about the these all the facts about the milk teeth and permanent teeth. Now next, digestion. What is digestion? So let's see what is digestion. The components of food such as carbohydrates are complex substances. These complex substances cannot be utilized as such. So they are broken down into simpler substances. The broken down of complex components of food into the simpler substances is called the digestion. So let's see, in this picture you can see there is a complex substance and after the digestion process it has converted into the simpler substances. So this process is known as a digestion. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thank you students. We will meet in second video with human digestive system topic.